What if your phone could talk to you without you ever touching it? Google might be about to make that happen, and it looks insane. The Pixel 11 hasn't launched yet, but leaks are already spilling major secrets, and one of them could change how you use your phone every single day. It's called Pixel Glow. Google is reportedly adding a full LED notification ring around the back camera bar of the Pixel 11 lineup. Phone face down on your desk or bed? You'll still catch every notification. No picking up, no flipping over. Just light. Early leaks said just 3 LED colors, but now, newer reports say Google could bump that up to 8 different colors. That means a different color for calls, texts, charging, app alerts, and possibly even special effects tied directly to Gemini AI.
Here's where it gets interesting. During Google I/O, in the Gemini Omni section, a device briefly appeared on screen with a glowing camera bar.
Google never said a word about the Pixel 11, but the internet noticed, and the timing of that moment was anything but an accident. Beyond the lighting system, the Pixel 11 is also expected to debut Google's brand new Tensor G6 chip, built by TSMC on a cutting-edge 2nm process. The setup: one blazing Cortex-C1 Ultra core at 4.11 GHz, 4 performance cores, and 2 efficiency cores for background tasks. Overheating has been the Pixel's biggest embarrassment for years, but Google may finally be fixing it by focusing on stability over raw benchmark scores. Leaks claim the 2nm process could cut power use by 20 to 30%. That means better battery life, smoother gaming, longer video recording, and faster AI all at once. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss a single Pixel 11 leak. More is coming, and trust me, you'll want to see it.